Now and we're scrolling and we're scrolling and we're scrolling, scrolling. Hello again, it's Katie here in the DIY lab. Let's make a relaxing bath product to add to your line in today's video. Fizzy bath salts. I've started with all my ingredients measured out and they're ready to go, and we're not going to need our Epsom salt right now, so I'm going to go ahead and set it to the side. In my mixing container, I'm going to be adding my sodium bicarbonate and my citric acid, but I'll be using a strainer just to make sure we don't get any clumps. So I'm going to go ahead and shake that in. You probably know sodium bicarbonate as its more common name, baking soda. Okay. Now that this is all sifted, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with my citric acid. Give it a good shake. Perfect. These two ingredients that we just added to the bowl are what gives our bath salts a good little fizz. Okay, now that we have these two mixed together, I'm going to go ahead and add my sodium lauryl sulfoacetate. This is the ingredient that helps to give our bath some good bubbles. The combination of these three are going to give our bath salts that extra edge in that bath that you'll always be wanting. Let's make this product super aesthetic by adding in some sparkly mica powder. For my bath salts, I ended up choosing this super pretty pink color. Go ahead and add that in. Okay, now that I have this added in, I'm going to go ahead and grab my whisk again and give it a good stir until they all are mixed together. Okay, so all of our dry ingredients are prepped, so we're going to need to add our fragrance. I wanted something super sweet, so I'll be using AFI's Sugar Cookie. Oh my gosh, even just pouring it right now, I can smell it, and it is the sweetest, most warm scent. Okay, so that looks pretty thoroughly mixed, so I'm going to go ahead and move on to the packaging. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab something just to help transfer in our Epsom salt and our mixture that we just made. I'm going to start with the Epsom salt, and I'm going to give it a good layering just so we can get an even mixture throughout. I'm just giving it a good little shake in between each pour just so it can evenly coat and get a good even disbursement throughout the jar. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Alright, and that's it. Your fizzy bath salts are done. These are super easy to use. Just sprinkle in as much as needed under running water and watch those fizzy bubbles pop. We spent about $4 making this product, so it can be sold wholesale for $5 to $7 and retail for $8 to $12. If you want some more goodies to add to your product line, be sure to check out our shower steamers. Find out how to make them in our DIY playlist. That wraps up today's project. Thanks so much for joining us in the AFI DIY lab, and we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave us a like down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Become a member of the notification squad by hitting the bell icon, and you'll never miss an update from AFI. As always, I'm Katie, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!